Hey guys, it's Kat Kerr, and today we're making a spooky assemblage with metallic board, funky film, and computer graphics. Funky film is an adhesive-backed holographic film. Just cut, peel, and stick. Metallic foil board comes in an assortment of colors, and it can be used in decorations, card making, projects, mixed media, and more. Computer graphics is an adhesive-backed transparent film. It's perfect for printing, and it works on an inkjet or laser printer. I first cut the funky film to fit the sides and the back of my Shadowbox, and then I removed the adhesive backing and applied it easily to the Shadowbox. Next, I printed up this black and white image on clear computer graphics film. This also has adhesive, so I just removed the backing and then I applied it onto the funky film and cut it out. Next, I took a piece of the red metallic foil board and embossed it using a Set After embossing folder as well as a Spellbinders machine. Then I lightly sanded it, allowing all of those raised edges to peek through. I cut these down to fit the inside of the shadow box and glued them into place. I finished the edges by adding a little strip of metallic foil board as well as a little decorative piece on all the corners. Next, I glued in some pieces of cardboard just to give the skull some height, and then I glued it into place. I finished off the piece by adding stickers and a rhinestone embellishment. To see the complete list of materials used in this tutorial, see the description below. This video is brought to you by www.grafixarts.com.